8:20 in the morning, Barcelona. People are doing their exercise, just riding along the front. Beautiful day. Shops are, oh, some of them are open. Some are open. Yeah, so people are already sunbathing. It's a Sunday today. Yeah. Just riding along the front. Really nice. Just come off the coast. We're heading north now, into the hills. As you can see, a bit slower, so I'm taking the GoPro out to record. Yeah, so we're gonna go up into the hill, climb about, I think it's 700 meters, 500 meters. Hopefully that'll be halfway, because I'll be knackered by then. And then it's pretty much downhill all the way back to the hotel into Barcelona. This place is called, what's it, Argentona. Very nice houses. Lots and lots and lots of cyclists, and the cars are great. I mean, 1.5 meters, that's what the signs say, but yeah, they give you lots of clearance, even on single lanes. So lots of cyclists. Yeah, still going. Feels like about 24 degrees. Going north into the hills. Haven't even really started the climb yet. Oh, it's gonna be painful. But yeah, amazing day. There's a Wahoo, if you can see, I'm not sure you can see. The Wahoo track, so that tells me there's a car coming behind us now. Hopefully you can see him go by. Can you see that? It sounds like a motorbike actually. There you are. Marius. That's where we're going. The hill. Don't even have the energy to talk. But yeah, beautiful road. Unfortunately you can't see them. There you go. Very quiet. Lots of cyclists. Yeah, so I'm using a 50-34, can't remember now, in the front, and in the back a 11-34 cassette. At the moment, of course, I'm in the smallest chainring, and in the back I still got one more to go. 34. I'm keeping that for emergency. So I think I'm on 32 now in the back. Doing about 110, 120 watts. Gradient is about 5%, sorry, doing about 10 kilometers an hour. Here comes more guys. Voila. Lots of people here. Naked. Time to go downhill. Hopefully my finger won't. back on the cycling route back to Barcelona. Gonna cross the river over there. Back. And we're back to the hotel. How much do I do? Quite close to that. 81. Took me 4 hours. Actually got lost a fair bit of time. That's it.